We will continue our procedure for the activity. Procedure number 5, do the same procedure as number 4, but this time using the second equation. Number 6, count the number of coefficient by getting the number of set or sets of each of the molecule used in the equation. Note, if there is only one set, there's no need to write 1 anymore. Get the molar mass of N2, H2, and NH3. Multiply their masses by their coefficient. Then get the total mass of the products. The first one is done for you. So note, the molar mass, grams per mole, is hydrogen with 1 grams per mole, oxygen is 16 grams per mole, and nitrogen has 14 grams per mole. Guide questions. How many sets of hydrogen have you used? How many sets of oxygen have you used? How many sets of water have you created? Write the corresponding coefficients in the chemical reaction. How many sets of nitrogen have you used? How many sets of hydrogen have you used? How many sets of NH3 have you created? Write the corresponding coefficients in the chemical reaction. How will you compare the total mass of the reactants and the total mass of the products? The mass of the reactants is the same or equal with the mass of products. Now let's discuss balancing chemical equations. We have frame, wheel, handle, and pedal. This is the major components of a bicycle. So we put a label for the first one, 1F, 2W, 1H, and 1P to produce one bicycle or 1FW2HP. We have W2 because we have two wheels. Law of conservation of mass. So the total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the products. This is exhibited on a balanced chemical equation. What are the do's in terms of rules in balancing chemical equations? Number 1, write the correct formulas for all the reactants and products. 2, list down the atoms present on both sides of the equation. Number 3, account the number of atoms of each type appearing on both sides of the equation. Number 4, balance the elements or atoms one at a time by adding coefficients. Number 5, check to make sure it is balanced. What are the don'ts in terms of rules in balancing chemical equation? Change the subscript to balance an equation. If you change the formula, you are describing a different reaction. Water or H2O is a different compound than H2O2. Never put a coefficient in the middle of a formula. 2 moles of sodium chloride is okay, and a 2Cl is not.